The best thing that I can do right now is to boost up the jump shooter by 5 for one game. Oh yeah, boost the athlete for one game. I have just enough to boost the inside scorer, which is the best for the big men for one game. So we play against the Nuggets. The Nuggets show, but you know, this is not it doesn't have any of the cutscenes. Let's go. We are home. Let's go, Evans. Make it. Oh yeah. They're gonna call a timeout. We take the lead. They play a zone. Oh yeah. The inside scorer pushed by 5. That's what you get if you play a zone. Don't go inside because I'm gonna block you. Oh yeah, rebound for me. Let's go, Gordon. Give it to Gordon, lead pass. Evans. No, 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 no. You don't have to do this. Oh. Oh, Davis. With the backdoor cut. He was alone. This is the pass that I have to make. And they have to give me. Oh yeah, another rebound for me. Oh no, it's for Davis. Give it to Gordon. Back to back threes for the Nuggets. Let's see if we can respond. Give it to Anderson. Oh look at the oh! Did you spin move in the air by Anderson? What was that? Look at this. And look at this foul. Oh my goodness. This year the moving screen is just crazy. I have Robinson on me. They have to pass me the ball. What? They don't pass me the ball and they have Robinson. I have to play Farid. Oh yeah, about for me. Give it to Drew. Drew Holiday. Let's clear up the space for Gordon. Oh, he gets blocked. And finally his release is just crazy. He can get it blocked at any time. Oh look at this. We leave him open. Oh, we don't pay the price this time. Oh yeah. Oh, finally they give me the ball over Robinson. They understand the matchup. Finally. Farid against me in the post. He jumps. Easy layup. These boosts, man, they are really nice. Give it to Evans. He's got a clear. Oh, the floater. Oh, oh, we take the lead. Now they're gonna call a timeout, of course. Oh no, they don't call a timeout. Okay. Let's go. Let's go against Hickson this time. Oh, Farid jumped for no reason. Did you see that? Farid jumped for no reason, even though I was guarded by Hickson. And the 2 points are easy. These boosts, men, are worth it. Oh, Farid I didn't expect that. Oh, look at this, Alisson under the rim. Oh! I have to get more rebounds though. I have to get more rebounds. Oh, look at this, they play me. Oh, we lost the game. Look at this, I didn't play at all. Okay, Farid, maybe. Oh, what the? Farid with this. Maybe I could get a point though. Oh yeah, I scored 10 points at least. I scored 10 points in a single game. A milestone for me, but we lost the game. So we are 1-1.